Hi you guys, it's Melanie and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. So I'm going to have a little bit of an echo because I am in our fellowship hall and I got a brand new wall that we are going to be unboxing together today. So I'm so excited to be sharing this with you. Thank you so much, Rose Morning, for sponsoring this video and this amazing floral wall. If you guys have been wondering how to put a floral wall together, we're going to unbox and assemble this wall together today. So without any further ado, let's get started.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but
So I like the fact that these extra florals are included. And it's all one piece. Oh my gosh, how freaking gorgeous is this? Y'all, this is amazing. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, you guys. It is so luxurious. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh my gosh, look at that. So I can just kind of slide the pole through here and then I can tie them together. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh my goodness, y'all. This is the easiest floral wall ever. Look at how freaking luxurious this is. Wow. Okay, let's put it together. Let's put it up. Be very careful opening this up because you don't want to like puncture the product at all. I'm just so excited. Because I want to be able to roll it back up. So gorgeous. It is so freaking gorgeous. Okay, so now we're gonna put it up. Okay, you guys, so I am going to film this in real time to show you guys how quickly this came together.
you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. crave when you're away. Nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make. It's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like, oh yeah, you.
This is gonna be super heavy. Huh.
You never leave my thoughts alone, yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about, yeah, you got me feeling some type of way, yeah, you make me wanna stay in all day.
All right, y'all. More than one way to skin a rabbit. So typically, I would have someone else here to help me. But because I'm by myself, this ladder is going to be my helper. Okay, you guys, so I have come to the realization at this point that I set a very lofty goal for myself. This wall is very well made. It is extremely luxurious. And with that being said, it is also very heavy. With some of the past floor walls that I've done, I've had to put like foam or some type of plywood behind it in order for it to be very sturdy and not like gap in. This wall is a stand-alone wall, and with that being said, it's, you know, heavy when you're trying to lift it and, you know, place it on by yourself. So if it's a guy, I would probably say that he could do it alone, but with me being 5'4", 140 something pounds, like, it is not easy. It is not easy at all for me. So I am going to call some reinforcement to assist me with this, because I know that this process should be a lot quicker, but I thought the ladder would work for me, but holding the pole and sliding it on is just too much. I got some reinforcement here because I am little, okay? I'm short, I'm little, and I needed some help putting this wall up. So we're gonna get it up. We're gonna turn up. Hold on a second. Okay. Because it's heavy, it's well made. Uh-oh, I tied it right. So you just gonna slide it through. It's well made. You ain't gotta worry about it falling all apart. Okay, push it down. You see why I can't get it? Woo! Okay. Now, you gotta come from right back there, child. Watch how you look. Okay. Oh my gosh.
It's so pretty.
It's so pretty. So, go behind here, and I'm gonna tie these together to each other, so they'll be like that, okay? Y'all, I need to bring y'all back here, but I ain't got time to bring y'all back here, but I'm literally tying bows like you tie your shoes. If you can tie your shoes, you can do this. If you cannot tie your shoes, I'll give you a shoe tying tutorial. Now this is the same thing I did to the back. I'm just tying the sides into a bow. No, one thing I like about this is like no zip ties are needed, no extra tools are needed. You don't have to put an extra backing on it or anything. I'm just simply tying it to the pole. You guys see this and this? All you have to do is tie them together like you're tying together shoes. I'm gonna tie this first one, and it closes that gap. So they sent in like a package of extra flowers, and if you ever wanted to like add in a pop of color to this white wall, this is why I went with white first, because you can turn it into whatever color you want, and you can just simply slide in just like that. Look. Okay, you guys, I just want you guys to see how truly luxurious this wall looks. It looks so realistic and so rich. And I love the dimensions. The dimensions just kind of add to the richness. So easy to put together. I cannot wait to style this for you guys. Okay, you guys, so that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for spending this time with me unboxing this wall. I think altogether you could do this in 5 minutes. Like, it is literally that easy. I am going to be designing weddings and graduation parties and Mother's Day events and baby showers using this wall, so stay tuned. And speaking of baby showers, be sure to go and check out the last one that I just posted. Thank you guys so much again for watching, and be sure to visit rosemorning.com and use Melanie 20 for 20% off of your order. I'll see you guys at the next video. Bye bye.